Hi, my name is Maria, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about FullyVital Hair Serum before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about FullyVital Hair Serum supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is FullyVital Hair Serum and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. FullyVital Hair Serum contains 14 powerful actives to regenerate thicker hair, is incredible formula, restores hormonal balance, revitalizing dormant hair follicles for thickness and vitality. The all-natural ingredients of the formula work by increasing circulation, promoting the growth of thicker and fuller hair, strengthening your hair from root to tip for lasting vitality and making hair loss and baldness a thing of the past. FullyVital is a major reference in its segment and is featured in the top-rated podcasts. Use FullyVital Serum in 3 easy steps. Fill the dropper and apply to the thinning areas. Massage the scalp with your fingertips. Let it work overnight and comb your hair normally. Thousands of women have already had incredible results with FullyVital Hair Serum. I invite you to see some real testimonials on the official product page. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 units. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 units, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive procedures and products that do not give any results. Make a test with FullyVital Hair Serum and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 120 days to use FullyVital Hair Serum 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.